Hi, this is Ajay Anand and welcome to Science Classes from excelup.com. In this video, you will be learning about nitrogen cycle. So, you have learnt on the chapter on agriculture or on the chapter on nutrition in plants that plants, they make carbohydrate from taking carbon dioxide from air and water from soil and energy from sunlight. But apart from carbohydrates, plants also need to make protein, and nitrogen is an important component of protein. Nitrogen is the most abundant gas in our atmosphere, but that nitrogen is in gaseous form, and plants, they cannot utilize nitrogen in gaseous form. So the gaseous nitrogen from atmosphere, it needs to be changed into a form so that plants can absorb and utilize nitrogen. So let us see how it happens, and this is a part of nitrogen cycle. So nitrogen cycle is basically cycling of nitrogen in the nature. So the first step of nitrogen fixation starts with lightning. When lightning happens, because of energy from lightning, the nitrogen gas, it gets converted into oxides of nitrogen, and the oxides of nitrogen, they fall down along with rain. So once it comes to the soil, the nitrogen fixing bacteria like rhizobium, they convert those nitrogenous compound to ammonia. Ammonia is NH3. Now this ammonia is further processed by nitrifying bacteria, and nitrifying bacteria, they convert ammonia into various oxides of nitrogen like NO2 or NO3. So these substances, these compounds of nitrogen, now they are taken up by plants and utilized to make protein and other items. After that, what happens when a herbivore eats plant, it gets the nitrogen or it gets protein and other items like fat. So after eating the food, when this herbivore gives out dung, this dung contains compounds of ammonia, ammonium compound. So now this is NH3 and this is NH4. So NH3 is ammonia and this is compounds of ammonia. So there can be various compounds. Okay. So you need, you may read about detail about it in your higher classes. So once these nitrogenous compounds, they come out of the animal's body, they are further converted into oxides of nitrogen, and after that, denitrifying bacteria, they convert these oxides into nitrogen gas, and this process is called denitrification. So that is how nitrogen is cycled in nature. So every living being gets the nitrogen. When the living being excretes, so it gives out nitrogenous compounds. Even after the death of living beings, the decomposition of dead remains results in recycling of nitrogen in nature. So that's all for this lesson. Thank you.